Hello and welcome to another Link Juices video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly create a YouTube script with this easy to use tool. Every video needs a great hook to reel your audience in, and an amazing intro to keep them watching. We're going to do all of this by typing just a few words and clicking a button. Sound good? First we need to get the hook and intro nailed down, and then we can look at a video script outline to guide us to points we can use to not get writer's block and have a bold structure to work from. For example video script, I'll be using this video idea, how to train a dachshund puppy, because not everyone knows how to train dogs, and also people love watching videos of dogs. So all we have to do is input our video idea and then the tone of voice we want our audience to feel. I'm going to go with casual, as I don't want the video to come across strict. I want the audience to feel like you're their friend, giving them advice on how to train their dachshund puppy. So you just need to put an output, or two if you like, and then click generate AI content once you put in the video title and tone of voice. So here, as you can see with the hook, it's got in this video I'm going to show you how to train a dachshund puppy in just a few steps, and then it has the introduction. Pause the video to have a little read over, and then again on the second example in this video I'm going to show you how to train your dachshund puppy in just a few easy steps. So the great hooks and then the introductions, and if you're really not fussed on one you can just move on to trash and then generate a new one. But it's as easy as that to get your hook and introduction. All you need is your video title and a tone of voice that you want to set for the video. Keep doing that until you find your perfect hook and intro, or take a hook from one example and combine it with the intro from another example. Next we go on to the video script outline, which will structure your script so you know what topics to talk about and the points to make. It's practically the same details as before, we're just on a different template. However, for the tone of voice of the topics, I went with informative for this one, as this is part of the script in which you'll need to give great information about the topic. So I think an informative tone of voice is the best for this example. And again, once you have input all the details, click generate content and it will do it all for you. So as you can see here, it has some points, 7 points to be exact, and so you can get a really good idea and structure on how to actually go about the actual outline of your script. And if you want to generate more ideas, just click generate AI content again, and it'll give some similar ones to the one above, but there will be a few that will be different in there, so you can just pick and take what you want to structure it in the right way you want your video to look. And that's it. You now have your amazing hook and introduction to keep people watching, and your outlines to keep the structure of the video on point and give you the ideas to create the best script for your video. Now this tool in question that you can see right here, it has more than just YouTube. It is called Jasper AI, and it works from a credit system. So you can have a 5-day free trial if you click the link in the description, but basically each word is 1 credit and you can start off with 10,000 credits, which in my opinion are a lot of words to start off with, just to give it a go and mess about with it and see if it's the tool for you. Again, the link is in the description, but thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.